Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi, welcome to these practice questions on JMeter testing. These questions are based on JMeter testing certification by VSkills. For a simulated exam on each topic of JMeter, visit www.vskills.in. Question number 1. Which programming language does JMeter is based on? The options are A. Java, B. PHP, C. Python, D. C#. The correct answer is option A. Question number 2. Who is attributed as creator of JMeter? The options are A. Jason Huggins, B. Stefano Mazzocchi, C. Dan Fabulik, D. Nelson Sproul. The correct answer is option B. Question number 3. What is absent in JMeter production release? The options are A. Assertions, B. Test scripts creation, C. JDBC driver, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C. Question number 4. Which XML parser is present in JMeter? The options are A. Laravel, B. Altova XML, C. Piccolo XML parser, D. Apache Xerxes. The correct answer is option D. Question number 5. Which minimum JDK version is needed by JMeter? The options are A. 6, B. 7, C. 8, D. All of the above. The correct answer is option A. Question number 6. What is the default protocol used when testing a web server using SSL encryption? The options are A. SSL, B. DLS, C. Both of the above, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B. Question number 7. Which JMeter property need to be edited to change the protocol level for testing a web server using SSL encryption? The correct answer is option C. Question number 8. What digital certificates are accepted by JMeter HTTP samplers? The options are A. X.509 certificates only, B. Any trusted certificate, C. Any untrusted certificate, D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. Question number 9. Which file extension is accepted by JMeter for JDBC driver? The options are A. jar, B. zip, C. Java, D. All of the above. The correct answer is option A. Question number 10. What is the file extension of JMeter installable file is usually in? The options are A. Java, B. tar, or zip, C. Integrated in web servers, D. jar. The correct answer is option B. Question number 11. What does execution of JMeter.bat on Windows results in? The options are A. Start JMeter in server mode, B. Runs the JMeter mirror server, C. Run JMeter in GUI mode, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C. Question number 12. Which executable file in Windows starts JMeter in server mode? The options are A. JMeter.bat, B. JMeterN.cmd, C. JMeterT.cmd, D. JMeterServer.bat. The correct answer is option D. Question number 13. Which Windows executable file takes a JMX file to load it in GUI mode? The options are A. JMeter.t.cmd, B. JMeter.nr.cmd, C. JMeter.cmd, D. JMeter.server.bat. The correct answer is option A. Question number 14. What does Windows executable JMeter.nr.cmd is used for? The options are A. To run a non-GUI test, B. To run a non-GUI test remotely, C. To load it in GUI mode, D. Start JMeter in server mode. The correct answer is option B. Question number 15. Which parameter lists proxy server hostname to JMeter during startup? The options are A. H, B, N, C, H, D, N. The correct answer is option C. Question number 16. What does a parameter is used for during JMeter startup? The options are A. Proxy server hostname, B. Proxy server port, C. Username for proxy authentication, D. Password for proxy authentication. The correct answer is option D. Question number 17. Which command option specifies JMeter is to run in non-GUI mode? The options are A. N, B, N, C, H, D, H. The correct answer is option A. Question number 18. What is the file extension for JMeter log files? The options are A. JLG, B. JTL, C. LOG, D. TXT. The correct answer is option B. Question number 19. Which of the following command option specifies file to log sample results to? The options are A. F, B, N, C, L, D, H. The correct answer is option C. Question number 20. What is the default value of JMeter engine.stop-fail.system.exit property? The options are A. 0, B. 1, C. True, D. False. The correct answer is option D. Question number 21. Which parameter enables defining a Java system property value during JMeter startup? The options are A. D, B, N, C, P, D, H. The correct answer is option A. Question number 22. Which parameter overrides a logging setting in JMeter? The options are A. D, B, L, C, P, D, F. The correct answer is option B. Question number 23. What is the default name for JMeter log file? The options are A. jmtr.log, B. jmtr.log, C. jmeter.log, D. jmeter.log. The correct answer is option C. Question number 24. What is the default pause value in JMeter? The options are A. 250 milliseconds, B. 500 milliseconds, C. 1000 milliseconds, D. 2000 milliseconds. The correct answer is option D. Question number 25. Which attribute in JMeter.properties is a list of remote JMeter hosts? The options are A. remote_hosts, B. remote, C. hosts, D. remote_hosts. The correct answer is option A. Question number 26. Which character is used to separate list of paths that JMeter will search for JMeter plugin classes, as specified by search_paths attribute in JMeter.properties? The options are A, comma, B, semicolon, C, new line, D, tab character. The correct answer is option B. Question number 27. Which of the following is processed first by JMeter? The options are A, user.properties, B, system.properties, C, JMeter.properties, D, all of the above. The correct answer is option C. Question number 28. Which color box in JMeter GUI indicates that JMeter is running at the right-hand end of the section, just under the menu bar? The options are A, orange, B, yellow, C, red, D, green. The correct answer is option D. Question number 29. Which keyboard shortcut in JMeter GUI stops the threads immediately, if possible? The options are A, Ctrl plus dot, B, Ctrl plus comma, C, Ctrl plus semicolon, D, Ctrl plus colon. The correct answer is option A. Question number 30. Which default port does JMeter non-GUI mode will listen for commands? The options are A, 4455, B, 4445, C, 4545, D, 4544. The correct answer is option B. Question number 31. What is the default value for functional testing for test plan object? The options are A, 0, B, 1, C, off, D, on. The correct answer is option C. Question number 32. How many types of controllers are present in JMeter? The options are A, 5, B, 4, C, 3, D, 2. The correct answer is option D. Question number 33. What will be the delay for starting each successive thread if there are 30 threads with a ramp-up period of 120 seconds? The options are A, 120 seconds, B, 30 seconds, C, 4 seconds, D, depends upon server configuration. The correct answer is option C. Question number 34. Which JMeter element stores the results of requests to disk? The options are A, sampler, B, listener, C, logical controllers, D, assertion. The correct answer is option B. Question number 35. Which JMeter element performs basic validation on the responsive request? The options are A, listener, B, sampler, C, assertion, D, logical controllers. The correct answer is option D. Question number 36. Which file format can listener save data to? The options are A, CSV, B, XML, C, none of the above, D, both A and B. The correct answer is option D. Question number 37. Which character is used to separate list of paths that JMeter will search for utility and plugin dependency classes, as specified by plugin_dependency_paths attribute, in JMeter.properties. The options are A, semicolon, B, comma, C, tab character, D, new line. The correct answer is option A. Question number 38. Which of the following JMeter element is not strictly hierarchical in nature? The options are A, listeners, B, samplers, C, config elements, D, assertions. The correct answer is option B. Question number 39. What type of element does controller is in a JMeter test tree? The options are A, depends upon the host configuration, B, hierarchical, C, primarily ordered, D, depends upon the test case. The correct answer is option C. Question number 40. Which function can be used to define a JMeter property? The options are A, property set, B, property set, C, set property, D, set property. The correct answer is option D. Question number 41. What is the scope of default JMeter properties? The options are A, global, B, local, C, local to parent element in test tree, D, depends upon the property. The correct answer is option A. Question number 42. What is the first step to do with every JMeter test plan? The options are A, modify the default properties, B, add the thread group element, C, enlist startup parameters, D, define log file. The correct answer is option B. Question number 43. What does the value in loop count field refers to? The options are A, how many times to repeat first loop in test plan, B, how many times to repeat last loop in test plan, C, how many times to repeat test, D, depends upon the host configuration. The correct answer is option C. Question number 44. What is the default port number for FTP? The options are A, 25, B, 23, C, 22, D, 21. The correct answer is option D. Question number 45. Which of the following are LDAP requests? The options are A, thread bind, B, search test, C, compare test, D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D. Question number 46. What is the default port for LDAP over SSL? The options are A, 625, B, 636, C, 385, D, 389. The correct answer is option B. Question number 47. Which data format is used by SOAP for data exchange? The options are A, HTML, B, CSV, C, XML, D, TXT. The correct answer is option C. Question number 48. How many JMS samplers can be used in JMeter? The options are A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4. The correct answer is option B. Question number 49. What does the value in provider URL refers to while developing a web service test plan? The options are A, JNDI server URL. B. HTTP server URL. C. JMeter server URL. D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. Question number 50. Which element is usually needed to develop a test plan to monitor web servers? The options are A. JMS subscriber. B. HTTP authorization manager. C. Web service, SOAP request. D. Graph results. The correct answer is option B. For JMeter certification and more practice tests, visit www.vskills.in. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.